Hey guys, as promised in today's video, I'm going to show you how I package these cute gift ideas for my sister. So in my previous Temu haul, I show you some of these items that I bought to put in this gift set that I'm making for her. So if you haven't watched that Temu haul to get inspiration of little gifts that you can gift for birthdays, Christmas, etc., just go and check out that video. I'll also link it in this description. So yeah, this video is just me packaging cute stuff for my sister, and I'm showing you how I package things as well. Oh, how I packaged it. This box, I got it from Amazon, and I'll link it in the description below as well. This shredded paper I got from Amazon, not Amazon, the shredded paper I got from Temu, the bottle from Temu, this lovely bracelet as well I got from Temu, that sachet from Temu, that keychain from Temu, and yeah, I got this box from the craft store. So you can get in any craft store that you have nearby you, and you know, she loves Oreos, so I had to add it in. Instead of put it in the packet, I just put the Oreo in that box to make it a bit cuter, you know. So now I'm just putting I'm putting the clothing inside the gift box, inside the gift bag, because it can't fit inside the box. That cute squishy pillow as well, those two things I got them from Temu as well. So yeah, if you've got kids, you know, gifts are full on Temu for them, and they're at a affordable price as well. I'm just gonna stick this little, it's not a bow, you know what that is. I'm just gonna stick it on the box. Yeah, just put it cutely. Yeah, I kind of switch up the packaging after a while because everything couldn't fit, so I put the jogger bottom inside the box, and it turns out very lovely, and I like that. So here I'm going into depth on how I create this gift card. I use Canva. This was a Canva template that I amend and make it my own. So I have her name on it, and I had a little message and also my name, and I used the Moonbin label printer to print it out. With the Moonbin label printer, you don't need ink at all. But however, it only print black, so if you want a colored sheet, you'll have to buy colored printer label. So now I stick it on this 300 GSM card that I also got from from Amazon, and I'll link that below. I can also link this ruler below in the description as well, because it's helped me to cut the thing straight. I also use the Moonbin label printer to make thank you cards as well, and thank you sticker. I have videos on my channel going in depth on how I use it to make business supplies, you know, dupes, and you can just use it whenever you run out of business supplies. So this edge rounder as well, I love using it because it makes everything look so neat and professional. I'll also link that below. Look at that, so cute, lovely. So I'm just gonna add that in. I should have added something on the back, but it's up to you what you want to do. I was just gonna put it down like that, but I'm like, no, it doesn't look that preppy, so I put a bit more crinkle paper on the top, and then I add the card. Lovely. So comment below what you think about this quick video and how I package this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.